Wow, and welcome back to Know Your Gear on Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I am going to review the KYT helmet. I've done an unboxing and I've spoken a lot about it, the technical spec. If you want to watch this video, check this out. There's a link on the top, you can go check that out. If not, stay tuned to this video where I'm going to talk in detail about this helmet in terms of its comfort, in terms of its aerodynamic, how it feels when you're on highway and high speed. And also I'm here in this location doing some crazy trails. How does it feel? Is it light enough to do that? And all of those points will be spoken in this video. So I'm going to catch you right after this intro video. So don't go anywhere. I'll see you in a bit. Let's review the KYT NFR helmet. So I've been using this for last couple of weeks, and I thought let me do a detailed review of this helmet and tell you guys how this feels, what is the weight, how does it responds on high speed, do you have wind reduction, the aerodynamics, all of it. So right to start with, from the comfort bit, let's talk about it. This is a very good comfortable helmet with proper cushioning and good space for intercom speakers as well. So I have installed my Blue Armor intercom on this particular helmet, and it sits perfectly fine, and there is no interruption or protruding of the speakers near the ears. Normally some of the helmet, if there's no proper slot for your speakers, it will pop out and it will give you discomfort when you wear the helmet. So from that comfort point of view, this has very good cheek protection. It has a good overall cushioning inside, very comfortable, fits absolutely perfect for me. So I'm using a large size helmet. You need to check what size fits you the best. Whenever you're buying any helmet, make sure you wear the helmet and see the fitment, and when you wear it, it should be tight enough and it should not move around, and you know that's very important to have a safe and a proper good helmet, because if you buy a good helmet but if it does not fit you good, then it's of no use. So you need to have a very nice snug fit helmet, which I have got now currently, which is KYT NFR. And now coming on to the weight bit. So this is around 1450 grams the weight, which is totally fine, very good. And I've done so far more than 250 kilometers one day, single day ride on this particular ride, and I have felt no discomfort or weight on my neck. It feels very comfortable, it's very nimble that way, very good. So there's no weight problem at all. So the helmet weighs perfectly fine, very good. And then this has a sun visor and the visor on the top. The sun visor, so you see this hot sun, I'm using the sun visor. Sun visor also works perfectly fine, and the vision is so clear. The best part is the sun visor looks dark, but then when you actually use it, you do not get so much of what do I say, filter. It looks, when you see through, it looks like normal only, but then the sun rays are cut to the max, so you get proper comfortable good view. So it's a clear view and you don't have a tanned view when you see through this. So that's a fantastic feature. So there is absolutely no discomfort when you wear the sun visor. And then comes the visor. So if you see, I've opened the visor, it has a nice steps when you open it. So you have 1 2 3 4 5, so it has 5 different levels to open it. So this is one. So when you open it, so you can keep it in 5 different stages however you want it whenever you're opening the visor and riding it. And best again, the another good part is Pinlock Vision 70, which is again very good. It comes as a part of the helmet, which I'm in love with actually. And then this has 3 air vents which breathe. So one is at the chin, and then you have 2 more air intakes on the top of your head. and then you have 2 exit points, so whatever air comes in, so there's a good ventilation inside, has to go out, so there's a proper 2 exit points also, so there's a good air ventilation which happens when you have your visor down. So, and from the aerodynamic point of view, at high speeds also, it is very good. So right now there's not much road which I can actually look at doing high speeds, but then when I did high speeds early this morning when I was coming, very nice, stable helmet, does not give you any kind of swings, it does not throw your neck off or any resistance. It has a very good aerodynamic shape, so that way you continue riding at high speeds. And today I've got my Hermes, so I've done a top of maximum around 100 kilometers per hour, not beyond that. So I don't know how would it respond to at 120, 130 or 150 also, which I want to do that in one of the other bikes and see how that responds in those like extreme high speeds. But then otherwise for 100 kilometers per hour thing, it's totally fine. There's no vibration, there's no, when I say vibration, the front visor does not create any noise, there's no buzzy noise around, and there it just not throws your neck off because of any deflection also. It's very stable that way, and comes with double D lock system, which is again good. So from all this perspective, when I look, I feel this is a very good buy, and it's a fantastic investment for somebody who loves touring and wants to use a good helmet with lot of features. I think this is definitely one of those helmet which is NFR helmet, and next year they are going to upgrade the NFR to R2R. So people who are waiting for next year, maybe next June, July, they might get their R2R. But then right now, I think currently NFR would be the best buy in the market at around that pricing, from a lot of perspective, that at least for my touring needs. So I also used this today for the trails. I was doing a lot of trail. I wanted to see how nimble it is while I'm doing in trail also. Otherwise I use my MT Falcon. So compared to that, this is very comfortable and feels very nice. So I'm really happy with the helmet. And if you guys have any queries, comment below and send in your queries, and I'll be more than happy to answer them if I've done that test or if I've gone through something like that, and I'll be more than happy to answer that. Or if there's some situation which you've come across on the helmet and you'd want to know, even if I'm not gone through that, I would want to understand that and see if there's a solution for it. So yes, so it's a very good helmet. So overall I'm very happy with this helmet. So yes, that's it. Comment below and tell me what's your thoughts, and if you like this video, please show some love. And at any point in time, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also share this video with your friends who are planning to buy a helmet, especially touring helmet. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Until the next video, bye bye for now. Keep it rolling.